Hello everybody! Ano po ba ang panglabing-apat na duty and responsibility ng isang accredited pollution control officer? What is the 14th duty and responsibility of an accredited pollution control officer? And that is per section 10 of DAO 2014-02 or the revised guidelines for PCO accreditation. It says in section 10 of DAO 2014-02, I read and I quote, report in writing within 24 hours from the occurrence of any of the following environmental incident to the concerned EMB regional office as the case may be. 1. Breakdown of any pollution source and or control facility or monitoring instruments, or releases, example leaks, spills, etc., of chemicals or hazardous waste to environmental media. So, the duty and responsibility of the pollution control officer is to ensure reporting of an environmental incident. For example, there's a breakdown of the generator set, the breakdown of the components of a monitoring instrument, even the components of water pollution control devices or air pollution control devices. Such breakdown shall be reported to DNR EMB Regional Office. Kailangan magsasubmit po ng incident report, and we are using the DNR prescribed environmental incident report format. This format will be used for the submission of an environmental incident report. Another case to be reported to DNR EMB Regional Office, like there are chemical spillage, oil spills, and even leakages. Leakages of chemicals or hazardous waste to land, to the air, and to the water. So this incident shall be reported within 24 hours from the date and time of occurrence. The incident shall detail the description of the incident, shall provide estimated amount of chemicals, hazardous waste, emissions, and or effluents to the receiving environment, the probable cause of the incident, and the interim contingency measures to mitigate any potential negative impacts. And this report, the Environmental Incident Report or EIR, shall be completed by the Pollution Control Officer and noted by the Managing Head. The report shall be signed by the Pollution Control Officer and the Managing Head. So we can submit report personally to EMB Regional Office. We can submit it via email, or we can report it verbally to follow the hard copy or the written report of an environmental incident. So that's the duty and responsibility of an accredited PCO per Section 10 of DAO 2014-02. I hope you have learned something, and at sana di natin magamit ang environmental incident report format na ito, kasi ang ibig sabihin merong mga breakdown of any pollution source and or control facility or monitoring instrument, releases of chemicals of hazardous waste to environmental media, and this may affect our physical environment. I hope we have learned at yan ay magamit sa tamang panahon sa pagkakataon na kailangan. Ito po ang ating duty and responsibility based on number 14 of Section 10 of DAO 2014-02. Maraming salamat po. And if you want to learn more about permitting, registration and reporting requirements. Please subscribe to this channel and please share and like this video. Maraming salamat.